Check, check, check. Got weekend review, Labor Day weekend. Hope everyone had a good weekend. So we have orange profiles are evening sessions, and then yellows RTH. So Sunday night, just balanced. Broke balanced day on Monday, right here. Still balanced, so I could draw a composite over that right here. So yeah, we just ranged right in here. You kidding me? Sorry, guys. Alright, and then broke out up on Tuesday. And then for the rest of the week, this little this pivot seemed to hold well. Nice little dip there in the overnight session. What time was this at? 5:30. So after the London Open, scooped it up, and haven't seen it yet, but 10-minute bars, by the way. So on Wednesday, broke out higher above the new balance we established after breaking out of this balance. And then, so price is currently right here. If I were to draw all this in a composite, so this is from here to here, all the volume, and let's see, it ends right here, so that makes sense. So we have a curve right here, and then arguably a new curve. At least this curve ends with this POC. So great buys here, great dip. But yeah, so we're in this range, which goes from what 495 to 100 points to 550. If we look at it, weekly profiles, let's see, so we're in a downtrend for a while, ever since July. 2 weeks ago, straight downtrend, and then rallied up for a good portion of last week, broke down, and then so this was last week, and yeah, broke up higher, and just as we saw in here, this composite is this right here. So definitely would look for this to be a good level to hold, because it's the bottom of the curve, and if not, for it to fill out this. So this would be next support, an attempt to fill this out with volume, or even make one complete curve if we stay in balance. And then monthly one, just to let you guys see it. So this is September's profile and each month's profile. So July, here, let's just look at summer. So June, pretty much uptrend, a little balance, and then July, pretty much uptrend, and then yeah, you know, right, what is that? Yeah, first trading day of August, just went down from there, and nice bounce at 350, give or take. So alright, yeah, I was just I don't use these charts too much. I just do it to check time, price action. Yeah, I really don't look at them too much, but it's nice to be able to drill down into the profiles like that. But so here's the daily chart. Sorry, I got a lot going on here, but just bear with me. But so we had a potential demand zone created, couple dip opportunities, fail in this huge pivot area with a weekly level as well, couple weekly levels, 2 fails, created a trend line, and the dips here worked for a little bit, and then this failed, and then we got right here. So demand turned into supply, turned into it again, and so that's why I have this, and look what happened. Got two-day fails right there. And then this is another pivot with the same concept I was going for. Well, the opposite, it broke through it, and then right here we had a little dip buy. So could be watching for this to hold because it held here, but I don't know, with these wicks, it's hard to say. It's not too, the sellers are strong here, and I will get to the curve. If you notice where we stopped, we couldn't break through this low valley right here, which on a higher time frame, you can see there's this, that's the valley, and look where we stopped, and we stopped, these are weekly candles, we stopped there a couple weeks ago as well. So that's 3 years of volume. This is Monday, so we broke out of the trend line Sunday night or Monday, and then of last week, broke this pivot at, so yeah, we broke the 50 MA, had a nice 920 EMA cross as well, so would have been good to swing. So as far as line in the sand from this chart, really watching for sellers to be here, and if not, for us to test here actually, but we got a lot of poor structure to break through. And then, so main zones I'm watching is here, and that for sellers, here for buyers, and I really, this zone will be stronger for buyers in my opinion. We have the MAs to have confluence, as well as the bottom of this curve. Even though this is all one curve, there's just a valley here. But so yeah, I should actually turn that green as well as these. Sorry, might have made it a little confusing for you guys. Hang on. Okay. There we go. So yeah, I gotta. It's how I used to do them. Sorry guys, I used to draw lines and boxes. So yeah, we gotta get through that. Now they're color coordinated for you guys. That's really about it on this chart. Really major line in the sand would be here. I just shortened it to, I like my zone smaller. But yeah, so opening up this week in supply, I really, we have to have a very bullish day to get through here. So yeah, levels watching, 540 to 560. Once that breaks, to go higher, and then I'd say 475 for buyers to step in below. Now we have the weekly. Basically last week we just as you saw that breakout in the last chart, so that's all this. Cleared the MAs, went from the very bottom of the curve because we were about to break into this valley, and that held, and so far stopped at the top. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is a very nice V though. This is a very nice V. I could see us doing this next week, but we have to take out that, which we top ticked. We broke it and failed to, but we could easily fill that wick, so we'll see about that. Nothing much else on there. POC's still down here in the 3-year at 40.50. Here's the 4-hour. So last week, Sunday nights right here. So nice dip buys in this 4-hour zone right here. Nice dip buy. Another one with the bottom tick. Probably could have been news related. Another nice dip buy. And we got first fail here. Might be a top tick. I can't tell. Broke through, came back down. Normally I'd delete this because how many times it's been traversed, but I'm gonna keep it just because it's still got a key pivot right there. So another one there, and then failing these two main pivots. Oops, I'll draw one up here just cause. Oops, and then some other main really. So yeah, we stopped. This is, you know, so we're drilling in onto these volume profiles, and you can see this valley a lot better. 2 hour, and then 30-minute. So I really think that we're gonna go back lower and at least fill out this curve right here. But anything's on the table, as you guys know. So this is just 3-year volume by price. Just so can picture this one curve, this one curve, this one curve, and it's hard. You trade in it, and then once you break out of it, you know, you'd go to the next one. But so it's just support and resistance. But and here I'll even show you guys real quick. I've highlighted the low nodes, and if you look at, these are just daily candles, and look at how respected it is. I haven't found a way to leverage this too much in my trading, because I already have my own ways, but I'd like to definitely utilize this, but I just like to reference it. So we're getting to the top of this 3-year curve. Really, it will be hard to break above here, but definitely doable. So there's that 3-year POC's way down there at 40.50. But yeah, that's it, guys. So hope you guys have a good rest of your weekend, and see you guys soon. Thanks.